Total 57 members came. Anyway, well done. Yes. So listen carefully. Okay, na? Yes. So already you people know very well science in 10th class until you have studied only science. Science nothing but you have studied biology, chemistry, physics. Now again coming for class 11, we have separate subjects again. So biology, again the classified botany and zoology will be there. Botany and zoology. Even you can see the in chemistry also. Chemistry also they classified organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry will be there. So even you can go for the physics also. Like that, again they're going to branches. Sir. So that will be don't want. We need only chemistry. I think. So many of them, you know very well about me. I think already I took in class 10th chemistry subject the last year. So section A and section C also I took. The two sections I took. I think the section B. So one section Rajan sir took. Remaining two sections myself I take. No problem. So whatever you studied in lower classes, class 9th and 10th, those basics will be very important. Those basics will be very important. Main we are studied in lower classes. So calculating atomic masses. So what is the atomic number, electronic configuration, writing chemical formula, writing chemical reaction, balancing reactions. So these all we discussed. I mean we thought. So again those things will be basics. So once again I will repeat those basics. If we need, no need means I'll go for direct subject also. It will be depends on our choice. So before going to that one, we can see the what portion we have. What is the syllabus according to latest academic year? How they given the syllabus? How they given the question paper pattern? It all yes. So look at here. So this is 2021-22 year. Okay, now 2021-22 year. Are you able to see the screen? Everyone? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So total we have class 11. Total we have 14 chapters we have. 14 chapters we have. Volume 1, 7 chapters. And volume 2 we have remaining 7 chapters with it. So they given first chapter what is there? Some basic concept of chemistry. Name only there. Basic concept of chemistry. So it will take 12 periods will take. Next one is the structure of atom, classification of elements, chemical bonding, states of matter, chemical thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reactions, hydrogen, S block element, P block element, organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, then environmental chemistry. So these all will be there. I think you know some of the lesson names already. So second chapter name you know thoroughly, structure of atom. You studied in class 11, 9th class, structure of atom. Even classification of elements, you studied in class 10th. Yes or no? Yes. Even chemical bonding, like what is the how it was ionic bond, covalent bond, we studied. Next one is states of matter. Matter also we studied in class 9th class. Okay, na? Like conversions with the solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Next we can check it redox reactions also you know very well. Like what is the meaning of oxidation reaction? What is the meaning of redox reaction? How it was form redox reactions? First chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Types will be there. Yes, and you know what is the element of hydrogen? And we studied in class 11th, sorry, class 10th, classification of elements. Nothing but periodic table chart. S block, P block, D block, F block. So it will be detailed, more detailed. You are studying in S block separately and P block separately, and even D and F block also. It will be coming in class 12th. So, and we studied in carbon compounds. That also will be there. Okay, na? Like types of reactions, like addition reactions, oxidation reactions, combustion reactions, substitution reactions. So those reactions also you're studying in this chapter. Okay, na? This will be there. So around 30% portion, you know, in lower classes. So they given what is the weightage also given, and how many periods required. They given what is the weightage required, what is the how many periods also required also they given. So what I am saying here, so it will be periods will be depends on the our understanding level. So it is given according to how much hours is given, 160 periods is given, but we made around 175 periods again. So more than that, around 15 periods more than that is given. And even practicals also we have. Even we have practicals also. So look at here. So class 11th, that's chemistry subject weightage is 100 marks. Out of 100, 70 marks will be theory. 70 marks will be theory. Remaining 30 marks we have practicals. 30 marks will be practicals. So practicals nothing but we can write a record. So we can do the practicals and they will ask Viva. This all will be there. You can do the project work. So many things will be there. I will discuss those things also. Don't worry about it. Okay, na? Yes. Practicals, no need to take any fear about. The maximum everyone you can get out of 30 out of 30. 30 out of 30 you can get easily. Don't worry about practicals. So you can concentrate more and more will be in a theory subject. In a theory subject you can get. So look at here, theory subject. In theory subject, what will be there? So total we know 14 chapters will be there. Out of 14 chapters, volume 1, 7 chapters. Volume 2, remaining 7 chapters we have. So they given volume 1 weightage also given. So look at here, how many, what is the weightage? So total 11 marks will be, the first 2 chapters will be 11 marks weightage is given. And the next 4 marks, the next one is 21. So 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 11, total 36 marks weightage. Total we have 36 marks weightage is volume 1. So more weightage and more time also given. Don't worry about it. And the next one is volume 2. Weightage is 16 plus 18. Total 34 marks. 34 plus 36. So almost will be 2 marks only differ. Almost both also having equal number of weightage. Almost will be equal number of weightages there. So 36 and 34 marks weightage. Okay, is it clear? Now look at here what I'm saying here. So each chapter what a subtopics will be there. We'll see, don't worry about. Now we can see practicals what we have. So this is the practicals. Practicals also what will be there. So practical condition. So what is the evaluation scheme of the exam marks? So volumetric analysis, they given 8 marks. Salt analysis, they given 8 marks. Content based experiment, 6 marks. Project work, 4 marks will be given. And even they given Viva and record also 4 marks. So record writing work will be there. That will be 4 marks. Viva nothing but what you did in the practical, what you done. So that for that Viva wise for the 4 marks will be given. Record and Viva wise. Project also 4 marks will be there. Project also 4 marks. Next one we have salt analysis. So you can identify the what cation we have, what anion we have. Identification of cation and anion will be 8 marks is given. And you can identify the functional group. You people know, you studied in carbonate compounds. Functional group is there. Alcohol, phenol, aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acid. This is all we studied. So the functional group identification of functional group. That also 6 marks is there. That you can coming under content based experiment. And even we have volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis nothing but you can identify the concentration of unknown solution. So they will provide 2 solutions. One is acid they provide, next one is base they provide. So you know acid base, acids and bases. You studied in class 10th, second chapter, acid, base and salt. So with the help of indicators, you can identify which is the acid, which is the base. So you know indicators, what is the use of indicators? So indicator nothing but just to identify the color identification. Color identification of color. So what color we have? And indicator types we have natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators will be there. Okay, na? Synthetic condition we have phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicators will be there. Phenolphthalein will be showing the pink color, and methyl orange will be showing yellow color. Be given. Yes, this also we know very well. So I request to everyone, the free time we have, nothing but whatever free time we have, at least half an hour or 1 hour. Once again, recall your 9th class textbook and 10th class textbook also. It will be useful for the class 11th, class 12th basics only. Basics nothing but will not teach class 13, nothing but degree will not teach, and even will not teach lower cases, lower class, but under below 8th class. Basics nothing but what you studied in class 9th and 10th. Those things will be very, very important. Will be useful. Fundamentals will be there only in 9th and 10th class. So it will be connection will be there. So connectivity is there. That's why either exams will be there or not. I think you people know very well. I think already they announced CBSE board also. Class 10th board exam they cancelled. So it will be well done. But exams you're writing or not, that will be secondary. We need knowledge. I think, but we know what is there in the class 9th and 10th. If you know very well class 9th and 10th portion, easily you can understand class 11th and 12th portion. All subjects, not only chemistry. Every subject will be connectivity is there. So I request to everyone, when you are having free time, thoroughly you can revise 9th class textbook and 10th class textbook one time, one sitting complete, each and everything. While reading time, understanding you can read yourself. What is there? Why it is coming? Like what you can take question of yourself. Why it is? What is that? Okay, na? Yes. So this is 30 marks practical also given. Even 70 marks theory also I given. Okay, na? Any doubt we have? Next thing is, this is our textbook cover, first paper. Textbook first page is there. First book page cover. Okay, na? Next one. Now look at here. Are you able to see the screen? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, done. Very good. Now you can check it in the first chapter. What is that? First chapter, I will discuss about some basic concept of chemistry. Some basic concept of chemistry. So in this one, what we have, I will read the subtopics alone. You can check it. First one is general introduction. Nothing but importance and scope of chemistry, nature of matter, and law of chemical combinations, Dalton's atomic theory, concept of elements and molecules. Next one is atomic and molecular masses, mole concept, molar mass, percentage composition, molecular formula, chemical reactions, stoichiometry calculation. I think you know almost 80% portion you know. Yes or no? 80% subtopics you know thoroughly your lower classes. I will revise once again. What is there? First one is, you know about nature of matter. Matter you studied in lower classes. Yes or no? Please interact with me, you people. So if you know very well, you can say yes. Matter, I think you know about matter, how they classified. The class 9, the first chapter, second chapter depends on matter only. One is matter in our surroundings will be given. Then matter around us pure also given. So that will be we're discussing here. And law of chemical combinations. You know, law of chemical combinations, nothing but law of definite proportion, law of constant proportion, law of conservation of mass. Yes or no? It is there? Yes. And even Dalton's atomic theory, the concept of concepts of elements, atomic number and mass numbers. So you studied in lower classes, atomic number and mass numbers also. Next one is mole concept. Yes, that also we studied. And even percentage composition, that also we studied. Calculating empirical formula, molecular formula, and chemical reactions. Okay, na? Stoichiometric calculations we have. Okay, na? This is only there. Once again, I will review about one PowerPoint. Okay, na? Yes. Are you able to see the screen? Some basic concept of chemistry is given. So in this chapter, what you are studying? Law of conservation of mass will be there, and under that, what will be there? Law of definite proportion, multiple proportion, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law. This all laws will be there. Next one about Dalton's atomic theory, atomic number and mass numbers, and mole concept. Next one is percentage composition. This all will be given. Types of solutions, a concept of molarity, normality. This all will be there. So this is only there first chapter. First chapter will be very easy chapter. Very easy chapter. Not first chapter. Remaining all chapters also easy only. Don't worry about. We are there. We will support until for board exams. So we are there. So next we have board exams will be class 12th only. So 2 years time will be there. The 2 years should thoroughly gain knowledge. So you can write board exams will be sufficient, like confidently you can write. Don't worry about it. Yes. So look at here. The first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. So before going to the chapter, I will request everyone, please keep 3 notebooks for chemistry subject. 1 notebook for the class notes. For 1 notebook for the class notes. The second notebook for the practice purpose. Practice notes. Nothing but evening study hour we have. Evening study hour time. Otherwise, when you are having free time, you can practice there. Then study hour time, you can practice there. Whenever giving homework, you can write in the practice notes, no problem at all. So you can keep, one is practice notes, next one is class notes, third one is test notes also compulsory maintain. Test notes. I think already you people know you are lower classes also you are kept test notes also. So test notes also compulsory you should maintain. One test notes, one practice notes, one class notes. 3 notebooks should be compulsory, should maintain. Okay, na? Next one. What I am saying the class that you can write down any key points you can write down. No need everything detailed. At least you can write down key points alone, side headings alone. Okay, na? Next one. Any doubt is there while reading time, while listening class. Any doubt is there, you can consult anytime. I think you people know my number also. I'll give them my mobile number. You can ask whatever doubts we have in chemistry subject. Anytime you can ask. Okay, na? You people having any difficulties anywhere, you can ask anytime. So my number I will give, you can take it. 96550 96550 43700 96550 43700. So myself, you people know Komera Vengaya. Myself, Komera Vengaya, chemistry faculty. I think already you people know very well. I'm working in last 4 years onwards. 2018. From 2018, I'm working in SKV school only. So until 3 batches over, it's seniors, class 12th. So everyone, like maximum members getting good marks only, 98. Yes. I know, top marks. Last year also Munish is there, your senior. So he got 97 marks. And even for board exam marks, he got 584 marks. 584 marks out of 600 marks. So school first he got, our student only. Every year, even last year also 98 marks is there. Before year also 98. So don't worry about marks. Even NEET student and CBSE student also both also getting same marks. And you have more number of marks also. Even last year, CBSE student only getting top mark, top scoring, about 584. Okay, now don't worry. You can choosing any group. Any group, you should study thoroughly and confidently. That you can say. And where you are there should be the top level. Nothing but you can think you are the best in the class or any subject wise or anything. So you can take any field, either studies, or if you can going any work, job purpose, anywhere, wherever you are there, you should be the maintain top level. I think, but you are the best. You have separate unique identity. Should get unique identity. So like your name, they'll say, so they'll be feel this good person. So you can get anything, you can do anything like that. So you can get one unique identity, your name. So you can get one unique identity. Okay, done. Yes. First chapter, you know what is the subtopics we have. What is the subtopics? Some basic concept of chemistry. Yes. So before going to that one, what is that? Yes. So we'll discuss about matter. We'll discuss today's class. I will discuss only about matter. I will discuss about matter. I will discuss. Okay, na? Yes. So look at here. What is there? General introductions, importance and scope of chemistry, nature of matter. Nature of matter. I think you people know what is the meaning of matter. What is the meaning of matter? Yes. Anything occupies space. Anything occupies space. It containing mass. Containing mass. Anything occupies space. It containing mass. So mass neither be created nor be destroyed. So before going to that one, you can check it. Yes. Look at here. Are you able to see the screen? Yes. So some. Yes, 1 second. I will share again. Now.
Yes, sir. You can see us.
Yes, yes. So listen here. Some basic concept of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the composition, structure, and properties of matter. So mainly discussing about matter. Okay, na? Next one. Chemistry is called science of atoms and molecules. It's made up of atoms and molecules. It's made up of particles. So you can check it here. Branches of chemistry will be there. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Next one is physical chemistry, industrial chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry we have. So organic chemistry nothing but this branch deals with study of carbon compounds, especially hydrocarbons. You people know what is the meaning of hydrocarbon? Compounds containing hydrogen and carbon, you can call hydrocarbons. Compounds containing carbon and hydrogen, you can call hydrocarbons. Next one is inorganic chemistry. This is the branch. Deals with the study of compounds, all other elements except carbon. It largely concurrence. What will be there itself? Study of minerals found in earth crust. So they are discussing about minerals, nothing but in earth crust. Even physical chemistry also. So it will be discussing about basically laws with and theories of different branches of chemistry. Even industrial chemistry also nowadays they are making they're using many medicines like even drugs, whatever vaccines we have or tablets we have. These are all coming under industrial. Even analytic chemistry. This is the branch which deals with quantitatively and qualitatively and quantitative analysis, various substances. Nothing but analytical chemistry, you can identify what is the composition will be there. So they will give the one tablet. The tablet, what is the composition will be there, how much will be there each element, what is the uses, what is the manufacturing date, what is the experiment date. I think how many days will be work the tablet also. So we have, you can see the any tablet, any things, any food item also, they will provide manufacturing data. So nothing but will be, you can use best before 3 months, or best before 6 months, or best before 1 year, like that. Even you can see the milk packet also they provide best before 1 day or 2 days, they will be provided. So the date will be compulsory. You can check whether buying any things. So the date will be very, very important. The date will be over, you don't use. You can get some side effects also. You can get some health problems also. Okay, na? Even biochemistry also. This branch deals with the chemical changes going on the bodies of living organisms, nothing but plants and animals. Even nuclear chemistry also. They're discussing about nuclear reactions like fusion. It all will be there. Okay, na? Yes. So last 10 minutes we have. And one more thing, one small request, Amma. You people, you can take one screenshot, this one. So just keep in main heading. You can write those things. Just 1 minute. I will open the screen. Just 1 minute. Yes. So I will share the screen. You people, you can take one screenshot. Otherwise, after class over, I will upload this file in our group. Okay, na? Our group I will upload. Don't worry about it. Okay, na? Yes. Take this definition alone. What is the meaning of? They are having notebooks. Some class notes we have. Class notes we have or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just main. Yes. So keep lesson name. Some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, na? Main heading you can put, and subheading you can put chemistry, and definition of chemistry you can write down, and the branches of chemistry you can write down. Tomorrow class I will discuss properties of matter. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow class I will discuss about matter. So what are the units we have? It all I will discuss. Okay, na? Don't worry about today's class alone. Only you can write definition of chemistry and branches of chemistry. Definition of chemistry, branches of chemistry alone you can see. Definition write down. Everyone, chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the composition, comma, structure and properties of matter. Chemistry is called the science of atoms and molecules. So definition, everyone. Main heading is some basic concept of chemistry. Subheading you can write down chemistry. Chemistry nothing but it is a branch of science, deals with composition of structure and properties of matter. Chemistry is also called science of atoms and molecules. It is also called the science of atoms and molecules. The second one is branches of chemistry. Branches of chemistry condition. What branches we have? How they classified? Branches of chemistry condition. How they classified? So we have organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. Okay, na? Analytical chemistry, biochemistry, nuclear chemistry, industrial chemistry. These all will be there. These all types you can write. Okay, na? This is a homework. Nothing but today itself. We will write and will be sent to my WhatsApp number. I think you people have my number also. Again, I'm saying my WhatsApp number 96550 43700. 96550 43700. So you can save like chemistry sir. So you can send whatever I'm giving homework. Nothing but you can write in class notes. This all. So better you can take one screenshot. You can write clearly. Okay na? Tomorrow class.
Sir, in class of notes.
Yes, in class notes you can write down. Only what is the definition of chemistry, branches of chemistry. Detail you can write, neatly you can write down. And you can use two pens. One is blue and the next one is black. Black pen for heading purpose, blue pen you can write down. Or you can any change, you can interchange also. Blue and black you can utilize. It'll be looking very good. Better you can write neat handwriting. Neat handwriting also you can write. Because of we are referring many books, not only one book. So it will be used sometimes revision notes, sometimes mind map, sometimes PowerPoint, sometimes textbook, sometimes some reference books also will use. Okay na? Yes. And one more thing, those are interested any entrance exam. For example, after completion of class 12, you people are interested to write any entrance exam. I think last 1 week back we given what courses will be there, what will do the higher classes, like those are interested in NEET or engineering. So you can put planning from starting day onwards. Day one onwards you can put planning. So you can do the extra work you can do. Then only you can reach your goal. So what, for example, you can choose right itself. So your interest engineering means you can choose right now. Your interest in medicine, NEET means you can choose right now. So whatever, some people interest will be government jobs, group 1, group 2, that. Some people interest will be engineering, some people interest will be medical, some people like business, whatever will be there. So whatever interest will be there, you can put separate plan, you will do work for that also. So both you will do simultaneously, like according to class 11th and 12th, one side, one way you will go, the second way you will go for the your future also. What will do the your future plan? That will be do, surely I'm saying. Okay na? Both also can maintain properly. And already sir told every day we have MCQs test. It will be useful for the any entrance exam. So nowadays we can see the any entrance exam we have MCQs also. And one more thing, nowadays question paper pattern also they changed. So we have around 22 marks, we have 1 mark questions. Like passage type questions we have, MCQ questions also we have, and even we have assessment reasoning type questions also we have, and even 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions, 5 marks questions. So 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 marks, don't worry about. You can concentrate more and more 1 mark questions. Under 1 mark, we have 3 typology questions. Passage type, but they'll give a paragraph, you can write, they'll give the MCQs down. So those type 8 marks they'll give, 2 passages. Each passage will be 4 marks. And the second one is MCQs, total 9 MCQs will be given. So 8 passage, 8 marks per passages, 2 passages, 9 marks for MCQs, and 5 marks assessment reasoning type questions. Assessment and reasoning type questions. That also 5 marks. So 5 plus 9 plus 8. Total 22 marks will be there. 22 marks we have. So out of 70, 22 marks, 1 mark. Remaining all will be 2 marks will be there, and 5 marks also there, and even 3 mark also be there. So this is the pattern. So while so that classes will be very, very important, Amma. You can attempt every day compulsory. So don't take any absent days. Anyway, you are staying in home only now. So online classes will be easily. So you are not going anywhere outside. So you can on the switch on the link and you'll connect the class. You can listen. No problem at all. Okay na? Compulsory you can listen the class. Okay na? Today's class I given what is the question paper, what is the syllabus we have. Total 14 chapters will be there. Volume 1, 7 chapters. Volume 2, 7 chapters will be there. Volume 1, 36 marks weightage. Volume 2, 34 marks weightage. Total 70 marks weightage. So theory we have 70 marks. Next one, 30 marks we have practicals. So under 30 marks, 8 marks volumetric analysis, 8 marks salt analysis, 8 marks content based, 4 mark record and viva, 4 marks project work. Again, I will repeat. Volumetric analysis will be 8 marks, salt analysis 8 marks, organic nothing but content based 6 mark, content based nothing but organic functional group identification 6 mark, record and viva 4 marks, project work will be 4 mark. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8, total 30 marks. So practical 30 marks, theory 70 marks. Okay, na? And we given total how many number of periods required also. Total around 180 periods required. We given also. So total we need 180 periods also there. Okay, na? First chapter almost 80% syllabus you know very well. Again we will revise. Don't worry about it. So already discussed what chapters we have, what is there. Okay.